code number 1. Hi Anita ma'am. So now this is your pure silver micro-rhodium plating of your anklet. This is going to be your box chain. Now this is your beautiful box anklet. Okay, this is your cubes. Over here you can see the movable cubes. It's a beautiful piece. Hi Meenakshi ma'am, good afternoon. And this is your enough of link. This is almost 2.5 inches of link. And towards the end of the link you have this scallop, floral, thick, beautiful, heavy charm. That has got your sealing. This is a new style of anklet which has got your charm and your sealing onto it. Now this is a pair of anklet, a beautiful pair of anklet, and they are very nice to be worn with any of your Indo-Westerns and everything. This is a very universal design. बहुत सुंदर piece है and very stylish. This is very stylish. 2350 code number 1. Code number 1 2350. Fantastic piece. Very pretty. Loving this Hakoba kurta. Thank you Shalini ma'am. This is daily wear. This is daily wear. Micro-rhodium plating silver is easily daily wear, Mitali ma'am. See this one. So this is a beautiful Italian box anklet. जिनको anklets की बहुत ज़रूरत है and they love wearing these Italian pieces. You should take this piece. It's a beautiful piece. Now see this. And this is your beautiful piece. Okay. So this is your code number 1 and this is your 2350. 2350 code number 1. Very pretty piece. Okay. It's your beautiful anklet. It's nice, huh? It's a solid pieces of cubes into it. It's very beautiful. You did not notice I shared the live. No, I did not actually. Until you mentioned Shalini ma'am. ना ध्यान उधर तक जाता ही नहीं है end तक. Because I get engrossed in showing the pieces, तो मैं भूल जाती हूँ. Okay, so this is your code number 1. It's a beautiful piece. बहुत limited codes है आज के live में, and this is your micro-rhodium plating, everyday wear, and you can comfortably wear this with any of your outfits. Okay, everyday wear. It's a beautiful piece. Now code number 2 is a beautiful ring. First आप back camera से देखो इसको. Code number 2 is a beautiful 3-cut emerald step ring. Now this is in your size 7. Okay, it is a solitaire ring. It's a big emerald solitaire in the middle. Then you have a 1 step of it, and then you have in last step again there are baguettes into it. Okay, Abha ma'am, 2-layer anklet is there. This is 1 layer, and this has got your 2 designs into it. Okay, one is end of it has got a charm, and then you have your box chain, and in middle you have your entire beautiful geometrical cubes and circle. It's a very pretty piece, and it's a very smart piece. Today only this one anklet, and it's a beautiful piece. I have multiple pieces in that, and this is only one anklet, exclusive one. So today only one pieces, one designs only come in this, but I have multiples. Okay, now this is going to be your baguette ring. Now you have your baguettes over here, and it's very pretty. So this is your code number 2, 1690 की ये cocktail ring है. It's a beautiful piece. 1690 code number 2. Size 7 is available. Size 7 is usually the standard size of your pieces. Okay, it's usually your standard size of the ring. Now see, you have your baguette here, and then this is your 3-step. Now this is your code 2, a very beautiful piece, and this is for 1690. 1690, a beautiful ring. Size 7, only size 7. This is size 7, 1690. 1690 for this beautiful piece. I'm mentioning all the prices in the live. So it is 2350 is the anklet. Code number 2 is your ring, that is for 1690. A very beautiful piece, 1690. Now let me show this over here, wearing it. Okay, this is your code number 2. Hi Kushi ma'am, thank you so much. I'm writing your name. Yes, I can see the tag. Okay, so now this is your code number 2. You can see the size of the ring, 1690. You will not get this less than 2500 and not. Okay, this is a 3-step, and it's a fantastic design. Very pretty piece. End has also got your lovely cuts of emerald. You can see this. It's got your baguettes over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a very nice, beautiful emerald cut cocktail ring. Okay. This is a code number 2. Now, code number 3 is going to be the chain. Thank you, Hemlata ma'am. Okay. Code number 3 is going to be the chain which you had seen on the poster picture and which most of you have asked. Chain, and next is going to be your bracelet. So now chain is going to be your code number 3. You will have to leave a message as code number 3 for your chains. I will take the bookings now of the chains, and the chain price is going to be 2570. 2570. Now this is got your beautiful link over here. This is your double link chain over here. यहाँ पे आएगा 3 beautiful beads. Okay, now very solid high gloss finish. Now this has got your mirror reflection of the bead. Okay, the cut is itself like that. And यहाँ पे आएंगे आपको 6 chains. 6 chains, 6 layer chains onto this, and this is for 2570. 2570, 6 layer chain and a dual tone. Okay, it's a beautiful, beautiful chain, not to be missed. 16 inches, and it's a fantastic piece, this one. Okay, 16 inches, 2 tone, and it is going to be a very pretty mala. Okay, now this is going to be like this. It's your bunch of chains. See this. It is your 6 chains onto this, and then you have your beads over here. I have not locked it. My neck is little high, तो आप आराम से इसको डाल सकते हो, and it is going to look beautiful, very classy, very beautiful piece. Now this is your chain. There are layers into it. 6 layers, and this is your chain. 2570 showing this from back camera. Take a look at this piece. Beautiful piece this is. This is your mirror reflection cut of the ball, and this is your plain high gloss, and then you have your layers of chain. Thank you so much, Kushi ma'am. And now this is your box. It's a double link box chain. It's a solid one, and it's beautiful. 2570 for this one. 2570. Fantastic piece. This is your code number 3. 2570, code number 3. Okay. So, booking of the chains, I will be doing it with no holding because these chains will not restock. Okay. Code number 3. I am just giving the name, writing the names. It's a beautiful piece. It's a very pretty piece. Only and only bookings will be confirmed with payments. Okay. Hemlata ma'am, I'm giving confirmations right now, so please confirm on WhatsApp. I'm just writing down the names. Leave a message. Meenakshi ma'am, leave a message on WhatsApp because I am giving confirmations to all of you. I'm talking there also, here also. Okay. So, yes. Fatafat se bookings done. One second. New buyers, I would request you to do an on-spot payment. What is the amount? 1 second now. Chains khatam ho jayenge and I will not be able to. Can you show once again? Want to take a picture? Priya ma'am, 1 second. I know, right? Multitasking is such a big work. This is the chain. Priya ma'am. Chains khatam. Chain khatam. Payments with on-spot booking will happen. Khatam. The chains are over. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Ranjana ma'am, chains khatam. Chains are sold out.